Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 21st to the 25th of April 2025 on Monday. Mapitzi's jealousy threatened to unravel her composure. A parent feels helpless as his son directs his anger toward God on Tuesday. Kamo continues to be a thorn in Mapitzi's side. When Sispetha doesn't report for duty, make a step in to assist. Peterson is unsettled by something his colleagues said on Wednesday. Tibbles is puzzled by Mapitzi's strange behavior. Salamina finds it challenging to navigate life without Charles on Thursday. Mapitzi confronts Sispetha regarding the rumors she has been spreading. Braboki's big idea or media announcement put Tibbles and Kwaito under immense pressure on Friday. A young girl received devastating news about her boyfriend. Pretty extends a helping hand to her family and friends in Teflot. Mapitzi surprises Sispetha and Tibbles with unexpected news. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.